Today's medical-centric topic is brown fat activation, real science versus hype. Why brown fat gets so much attention. Brown adipose tissue, commonly called brown fat, has been promoted as a metabolic shortcut for fat loss. Unlike white fat, which stores energy, brown fat burns energy to generate heat. This unique property has fueled claims that activating brown fat can melt fat effortlessly. What brown fat actually does. Brown fat contains a high number of mitochondria and a protein called UCP1, which allows energy to be released as heat instead of being stored. Its primary role is thermoregulation, especially in newborns and during cold exposure. Do adults really have brown fat? Yes, adults do have brown fat, but in much smaller amounts than infants. It is mainly found in the neck, upper chest, and along the spine. The quantity and activity of brown fat decline with age, obesity, and metabolic disease. Cold exposure and brown fat activation. Cold exposure is the strongest proven activator of brown fat. It stimulates the sympathetic nervous system, increasing brown fat activity to produce heat. However, the actual calorie burn from this process is modest, not dramatic. How much fat can brown fat burn? This is where hype diverges from reality. Even when maximally activated, brown fat contributes only a small fraction of total daily energy expenditure. It does not compensate for excess calorie intake or poor metabolic health. Brown fat versus beige fat. Some white fat cells can transform into beige fat under certain conditions, such as cold exposure or exercise. This browning process improves metabolic health but does not create large-scale fat loss on its own. Exercise and brown fat. Exercise improves overall metabolic flexibility and insulin sensitivity, but its direct effort on brown fat activation is inconsistent. The metabolic benefits of exercise come primarily from muscle adaptations, not brown fat stimulation. Supplements and brown fat claims. Many supplements claim to activate brown fat through herbs, caffeine, or plant compounds. Human evidence for meaningful, sustained brown fat activation through supplements is weak. Any metabolic effect is usually small and indirect. Brown fat and glucose metabolism. Brown fat may help improve glucose uptake and insulin sensitivity, particularly in metabolically unhealthy individuals. These effects are promising but should not be overstated. Who benefits the most? Brown fat activation may be more relevant for improving metabolic health rather than weight loss, especially in leaner individuals with preserved brown fat function. What actually matters more? Muscle mass, insulin sensitivity, sleep quality, stress management, and diet composition have a far greater impact on fat loss than brown fat activation.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.